After two back-to-back races at the Silverstone circuit, the sixth round of Formula One headed towards Spain at Circuit de Barcelona, Catalunya from 14th to 16th August. Sergio Perez, after missing two races as he was positive for COVID-19, was back in the team for the race at Spain. These are the results of the qualifying session. No doubt, again, the first row was locked by the two Mercedes of Lewis Hamilton and Valtteri Bottas. It was a 150th front row start for Lewis Hamilton in F1. Max Verstappen starting on third, with the two racing points of Sergio Perez on fourth, and Lance Stroll starting on fifth place. Alexander Albon starting on sixth, and the two McLarens of Carlos Sainz on seventh, and Lando Norris starting on eighth place with Charles Leclerc on ninth, Pierre Gasly on 10th, Sebastian Vettel on 11th, Daniel Kvyat on 12th, Daniel Ricciardo on 13th, and Kimi Raikkonen starting on 14th place. Esteban Ocon starting on 15th, with the two Hasses of Kevin Magnussen on 16th, and Romain Grosjean starting on 17th place, and the two Williams of George Russell on 18th, and Nicholas Latifi starting on 19th place, with Antonio Giovinazzi starting on 20th place. At the start of the race, it was a good start for all the racers, but not at all a good start for Valtteri Bottas. At turn 1, Valtteri Bottas was squeezed between the cars of Lance Stroll and Max Verstappen, and he dropped to 4th place from 2nd place in just one turn. During the 22nd lap, Max Verstappen made a pit stop whose duration was only 1.9 seconds, which is the fastest pit stop of Formula One 2020 till now. There was not much action in the race, but there were many overtakings. During the start of 20th lap, Kevin Magnussen was on 9th place. Then, at turn 1, he was overtaken by Esteban Ocon. At turn 3, he was overtaken by Alexander Albon. And at turn 4, he was overtaken by Carlos Sainz, which means Kevin Magnussen lost 3 places in just 4 corners. During the 37th lap, at turn 14, the Ferrari of Charles Leclerc spun around and it dropped to the 20th position. During the 41st lap, Charles Leclerc retired from the race as there was a trouble in the engine of his car, and it was the first retirement of the Spanish Grand Prix. Meanwhile, when Kimi Raikkonen completed his 37th lap of the race, he completed 83,846 kilometers in his Formula One career, which is most by any racer, and the distance which he has covered is twice the circumference of the Earth. During the 65th lap, Romain Grosjean spun around while turning, but he controlled the car well and continued the racing. At the end of the 66th lap, Lewis Hamilton won the race, and it was Lewis Hamilton's 4th victory of the season out of 6 races. These are the results of the race. Lewis Hamilton winning the race with Max Verstappen splitting the two Mercedes as he finished on 2nd place, and Valtteri Bottas finishing on 3rd place. The racing points of Lance Stroll finishing on 4th and Sergio Perez finishing on 5th place after he was given a 5 seconds time penalty for ignoring blue flags, with Carlos Sainz finishing on 6th and Sebastian Vettel finishing on 7th place. Alexander Albon finishing on 8th, Pierre Gasly finishing on 9th, and Lando Norris finishing on 10th place, with Daniel Ricciardo on 11th, Daniel Kvyat on 12th, Esteban Ocon on 13th, and Kimi Raikkonen finishing on 14th place. Kevin Magnussen finishing on 15th, and Antonio Giovinazzi finishing on 16th place, with the two Williams of George Russell on 17th and Nicholas Latifi on 18th place, and Romain Grosjean finishing on 19th place. And there was a DNF in front of Charles Leclerc. Valtteri Bottas also won an extra championship point for the fastest lap of the race. After Lewis Hamilton winning the race, it was 156th podium of Lewis Hamilton's F1 career, and he broke Michael Schumacher's record of 155 podiums in F1. In all, it was an amazing day for Lewis Hamilton as he won the race, with Max Verstappen finishing on second and Valtteri Bottas finishing on third place.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and do share your suggestions in the comment section.